So hey guys, in this video we're going to see how to deploy front-end code into Vercel. So first of all, just upload your files to GitHub, and once that is done, just search for Vercel. It is free, so and also simple. Just create, as you can see, I have already created few. Just click on new project. You have to log in if this is new for you, and import the repository. And this will be the link name, so make sure it is what you want it, and select the right directory. And if you want any build settings, you can do that. I want to keep it at default, and add any environment variables if you have any. And once you add your environment variables, just click on deploy. As you can see, the logs are started downloading the dependencies. You can also see the whole process, and that's it. Our project is deployed. So that's it guys. It's this much easy to just deploy your front-end code for free, and you can track everything whatever you want. You can check your build time logs, runtime logs, whatever you need. So that's all. There you go. As you can see, it's working. Okay, thank you.